Hello everyone. Just a little quick tip on directly specifying diameters in revolved objects in FreeCAD. Here I have a revolved object that has three different diameters, and the cross-section of this object is defined by this sketch, which I'm now going to edit, and you will see I don't have any diameter or radius dimensions specified here. And typically we could add a radius dimension, say to this, and let's say the diameter was 19 millimeters. Well, I can type in 19 divided by 2, and FreeCAD will do the math and make the radius 9.5 millimeters. And while it's not that hard to type in that equation, it's much easier to directly specify that this is a 19 millimeter diameter. So I'm going to delete that radius dimension. And now here's the trick, and that is using symmetric points. So we're going to create 3 points, one for each diameter. And I'm going to make this point and this point symmetric about the axis of revolution. I'm going to do the same for these 2 points. And finally, these 2 points. And now I can apply the diameter dimension directly, typing in 19 millimeters. I'm going to do the same for this one and make it, say, 30 millimeters. And now for this one, we'll make it 16 millimeters. Now, in addition to this, I'm going to name these dimensions. I want to call this one D1. I'm going to call this one D2. I'm going to call this one D3. And while that naming is not completely necessary, you'll see why it's convenient here in just a moment. So I'm going to close my sketch. You'll see that the revolve has updated. And now to edit those 3 diameter dimensions, I could go and edit the sketch and edit the dimensions there. Or if I click on the sketch, look at my properties pane, come down to the constraints, and you will now see I have the 3 named dimensions there to make them easy to identify. And now let's say I want to make this one 20 millimeters, and I want to make this one 25 millimeters, and I'm going to make the last dimension 35 millimeters. You'll see that the 3 diameters have updated by editing those values, and I didn't have to type in the diameter divided by 2 to specify a radius. So I hope that helps you in your future designs for allowing you to specify diameters directly in Revolve features. Thanks for watching.